Buying insurance feels complicated? Not anymore. We understand how tiring insurance process can feel. That's why HDFC Bank SmartWealth makes it quick, easy and seamless with its new user-friendly insurance feature, so you can focus on what matters most. Start by logging into the HDFC Bank SmartWealth app. Open the app on your device and securely enter your credentials to access your dashboard. If you're new, don't worry. Signing up is easy. Once you log in, you'll find 2 easy entry points to insurance products. Click on the More section and tap on Insurance, or go to the Discover tab and scroll to the Insurance section for quick access. Once you're in, you'll see options tailored just for you. You can choose from a variety of options, from life insurance, health and accident to travel insurance. Click on the respective options for details. Once selected, click on Insure Now. Select a plan that works for you. With HDFC Bank's SmartWealth app, it's seamless. Just a few taps and SmartWealth will do the rest. With this new feature, HDFC Bank's SmartWealth app is taking a big step towards making insurance accessible, fast and secure. Log into HDFC Bank's SmartWealth app today and explore the seamless insurance at your fingertips.